In this scene, we have three key elements: the main camera, which acts as the player's view, the ground serving as our platform, and the directional light simulating sunlight to illuminate the scene. These components form the foundation of almost any game. From here, we can add objects, customize environments, and bring our ideas to life. Let's dive in and start creating something amazing. Next, we'll create three basic 3D game objects: a cube, a sphere, and a capsule. These shapes are the building blocks of any 3D scene and will serve as the foundation for the customizations and animations we'll create later. After that, we'll create three different materials: red, green, and blue, and apply them to our objects. This will give each one a unique color and make our scene more visually appealing. Next, we'll create animations for each of our objects using Unity's animation tools. We'll animate the cube to rotate, the sphere to bounce, and the capsule to move.
See you in the dark 'cause you're shining bright. Why leaving me now? I'll never see your soul inside, but I tried so hard. So many mistakes, crashing my system, gave me some different places to hide. I've never wished you'd stay this night with me. I only know I want you by my side, by my side, by my side, by my side, by my side.
Finally, we'll run the scene and test the animations to see how everything looks in action. That's it for today's tutorial. We've created 3D objects, added materials, and animated them. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.